Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use proxy files in Adobe Premiere Pro so you can edit smoothly even with high-resolution footage. First, import your video clips into the project panel. Select the clips you want to create proxies for. Right-click the selected clips. Click Proxy, then click Create Proxies. The Create Proxies window will appear. Choose a format such as QuickTime. Choose a preset such as Low Resolution Proxy. Under Destination, choose where you want the proxy files saved. Click OK. Adobe Media Encoder will open automatically and start generating proxy files. Wait until the encoding process is complete. Now go back to Premiere Pro. In the Program Monitor, click the plus icon to open the button editor. Drag the Toggle Proxies button to your toolbar. Click OK. Now click the Toggle Proxies button to switch between proxy and full resolution footage. When proxies are enabled, editing and playback will be much smoother. Your final export will always use the original high-resolution files automatically. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.